Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I'm fine. Hope you all are fine too. Today I have done this makeup look. It's a long-lasting base for oily skin. So by now you all know that I have oily skin, so I have a lot of requests for doing this specifically. So during the monsoons, a lot of our makeup base gets ruined. It gets cracked up from here around your smile line. So as I have an oily skin, I have done this makeup today. It will last you a long time, trust me. This is normally I do my base to have a long lasting base during these seasons.
They can play well, but we foretell. I'm not joining our race. I'm not in it for the chase. Go be gone, I'ma show you. Twinkle wide and far, lucid light. He taught me to be me. It's the difference, not the distance. Oh, yes or no, high or low. Whatever they do, we can do it better. Blinding smiles, an on-point style. They can play well, but we foretell. Whatever they do, we can do it better. They can play well,
watching, and also please like, share and do subscribe. Thank you so much.